One thing about using this grater is that it will cut your finger without telling you, without warning you. See, this is the second time this is happening to me, sincerely. So when you are using it, you need to be very careful, like very careful. So I've finished cutting the carrot and I think this is okay for what I'm going to be needing tonight. So right now, slice me some cabbage. Imagine after cutting my finger, I'm still going to continue doing it. This is not good at all. Sorry. So I was saying a story before I discovered my mic was not on. I said when I was newly married, my first year of marriage, when I make my moi is always a disaster. So I now discovered that it was the pot I was using. The pots were always too small for the quantity of beans that I prepared. Do you get? So when I now bought new pots and then I began to use new pots to prepare my food, then my memory began to turn out too well. And it's funny that those times when I cook rubbish memory, my husband will still eat it all. I don't know, maybe the moment was actually delicious or it was just trying to encourage me. But I know there were times when he just ate it to encourage me. But we have to step up. Stepped up, bought new pots, and then also early this year I bought a new what's it called? I bought CCME's cookbook, A Time to Eat, and it's been a game changer for me. From that cookbook, I've prepared ayamase stew. I've prepared shawarma. Okay, I didn't follow the shawarma recipe. This shawarma recipe I'm making right now is from Diary of a Kitchen Lover's channel. I can put the link here. There's this shawarma we eat here in Ibadan that is very nice. I tell you, shawarma is really nice. And when I followed that Diary of a Kitchen Lover's recipe, it tasted just like it. Just like it. You won't believe it. It's like not dry. It's not the one that you just eating carrot and cabbage. The taste is, everything is just crunchy, everything, like the mixture, oh god, everything was making sense. So this is the second time I'm making this and I'm going to carry you along. You need to see it. So I just hope this video entertains, educates someone. And if you are new to my channel, you might not find this strange, but if you are not new, if you've been here, you will know that I don't really make videos like this. I actually make sit down videos, but I got tired of sit down videos, sincerely. And I discovered that I watch more of vlogs on my videos. I watch cooking videos, I watch hair videos. So I'm like, why can't I also share some of these things, or since I enjoy watching them? Because since my audience says they are tired of sit down videos, and the truth is that it's not easy to make sit down videos. You have to memorize your scripts, and these days I'm not just feeling it. I wanted to do something different, so that's why you've been seeing me on your screen doing different things. Oh god, see all those women that cook. My sister has a cook channel, Toyin Cooks. You can check her out on YouTube. They are doing a great job. It's not easy to be a food content creator, but me, I'm not a food content creator. I'm just a mom trying to level up and do what is nice for our family. So right now we are finished cutting our carrots and we are finished cutting our cabbage. So we are going to the next thing. So this is my cabbage. So are you still with me or you have left? If you are still following me, let me know in the comment section. So these are the materials, ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this mayonnaise, and this is African ketchup. It's very nice, this African ketchup. I love it. Okay, this is the normal ketchup. I will not be using this. And this is suya spice. God, this suya spice is a game changer. The first time I made this shawarma, I didn't have this suya spice at home. I forgot to get it from the market. I was already preparing it. I had to pause and run down to the supermarket again to go and buy the soya spice, because thank God I didn't use just ordinary pepper and to have spoiled things. But this soya spice, I could see this taste and I could see why Diary of a Kitchen Lover was hammering that make sure you use soya spice. And then I got it, and it's really really nice. So right now I'm just going to be mixing these things together. Okay, yeah. Going to pan grill this sausage. This was not how she taught us. So I'm not going to be doing the chicken with it, because I already boiled my chicken instead of pan grilling the chicken also. So I ought to do it kind of together. So right now I'm just going to do the sausage alone. I just hope it comes out so nice as the first time I did it. I just hope so. Because you know how children can be. When you do something the first time, they love it, and then you're doing it again and they're like, and the first time I only fried 4 sausage. Now I'm doing like 8. Hmm. I hope I will not be the one to eat it alone. So right now I'm going to be mixing my mayonnaise. This mayonnaise has want to finish. Oh. Ah, okay. So right now I'm going to add my ketchup. By the way, African ketchup. And if you know why it's African, you should know why it's African ketchup. Just guess why. I'm not going to tell you people. What makes it different from the normal ketchup? I'm not going to tell you. Let me see if someone gets it right. Just some. And then the ogbonge suya spice. I just hope I upload this video, because my drama in it, I can just get discouraged and say I'm not uploading. So if you get this, so this is the suya spice I'm using. Very nice. So now I'm going to give this a good mix. Am I not supposed to be watching the video I watched the first time that made me have a good result? Look at me. I didn't even watch the video at all. I assume I'm now a pro. I just hope I don't regret this. Because in this house, trust me, they don't fake things. If they don't like what you cook, the only person that can see try is my husband. You see those children? Oh. So now I'm going to be putting some onion. Abby, onion, lemon, lemon. So it's just small. Like almost everything I use is from what I used from the first time. I made it on Thursday. Today is Sunday. So let me taste. It's fine. I hope my video just is this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm not a food content creator, like I've said though. All this I'm doing is just me enjoying my own self. So if you really want to replicate, okay, you want to replicate this thing I'm doing, just go and watch the video on the channel on CC Diary of the Kitchen Lover. I think she's Chef T. They call her Chef T on Chef Chi's channel. So I'm going to link it in this video. Just go and see it. Can you see? So just going to mix it. So I'm going to show my bread inside this tray, and we are going to. This is what it looks like. Oh. Cherry. So I have about 4 pieces. No, I mean I need to count. Oh, let me be 12. The pieces I have: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I used 4 the first time, I used 4, and this 4. I thought they said it's 12 pieces that this thing has. It has 8. And I've budgeted like I'm making 6, abi, I don't know. So I saw only 4 pieces, so my people. Maybe it's the brand I bought, sha. Maybe they. So this is the third wrap. Okay. So let me just do one because I have just little left. I just hope I upload this video. I feel like I'm doing too much. I'm going to upload it. I'm trying to be consistent on this YouTube space, guys. I want to upload videos every day. So I'm not going to be overthinking content creation. I'm just going to be doing it. Just doing it. Because I can do all things through Christ. That strengthens me. Eh, rakabarakado shambalaba. Rabarabarabarabarabarabara. And this is the last bread. Check bread long way. Okay. So I'm just mama I will just first put this in the closing side. Okay. Mm, 1, 2. Okay. 3. Wow. I'm already tired. So I'm just going to be rolling it. If I'm inspiring you to make shawarma, let me know. If you've not made it before and you're going to try it because you are seeing me doing it, if I can do it, my dear, you can do much more. So this is my four wraps of shawarma. So let's get it into the pan. Eh, 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 eh. 1 is landing safely. Just land safely. Oh, don't want to do drama this night. So the 4 can't enter at the same time. So I'm just going to hold on and do this. Though I wish everything can just do. Let me reduce this fire so that I will not eat boiled offering. So thank you guys. This is the 3 shawarma. It's ready now. Look at this one. It has scattered. But this 2 is okay. And this is the last one on the frying pan. Look at the one that spitted out.